Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics ST-C700 network audio player receiver amplifier and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this this receiver not working properly, or it's not responding to your commands or things like that, it's not making sound, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You also might want to do this if you just want to set this up someplace new and just wipe everything off of it so that you can just start fresh. We can go ahead and do that. We're going to keep an eye on this display, but we're actually going to use the controller. And basically on the controller, you're just going to come in and you're going to hit this NWP button. And then once you hit the NWP button, then you're going to hit the home button. And from there, you're just going to toggle through using the up and down arrows. You're going to toggle through options on the display. Until you get to the setup option, and then you're going to hit OK. And then you're going to toggle from setup, you're going to toggle to initialization and hit OK. And then you're just going to you just have to then confirm it twice. So then you're just going to toggle to yes and OK, and then toggle to yes and OK again, and it will reset to its factory default settings. You can go ahead and set it up as a new device.